This is our Forex blog for February 24th, 2017. And I like to start with each week just to showcase how the stats are for the week. Each day I fix some patterns that obviously are not going to show up in these stats. I also add some new patterns that wouldn't have shown up live at the time. But you can compare, rather than do multiple sets of stats before I fix any patterns, before I add them at the end of the day, it's just too much extra additional work. You can compare this week's stats with the past, and you'll see that more trades are showing up. Oftentimes higher winning percentage, bigger wins, smaller losses, and so forth over the months. You can compare to older ones. So I'm going to start with Friday. A lot of trades on Friday. One of the best days, probably in the top 3 days of the last 2.5 years I've been doing this. 833.7 pips. The average loss was only 5.8. The average win, because there were so many big ones, was 19. So over 3 times bigger win than loss. Here's Thursday. 300 pips net. Average win is 16. A lot of losses that day. Average loss 6.9. Here's Wednesday. A lot of trades that day too. 653 pips. 23 pip average win. And 5.7 pip average loss. Here's Tuesday, I think. 373 pips. Not as many trades. Very good winning percentage. 14.85 average win. And the average loss is only 5. So one thing you'll see in common between these, Monday and Sunday, very low number of trades, 147 pips, 11 wins, 15 pip average, 8 losses, 2.5 pips. So very, very tiny losses that day. And I'll just showcase some of the trades. And here's the euro dollar. You can see the wins compared to the losses. Very tiny loss. This one was bigger. This one was bigger. Very tiny loss here. Tiny loss here. But the trade before it would have made enough to offset that loss, and then a win before that. Previous day, you can see, a few losers in a row. Win. When you go back past 2 days, some of the trades that show up might not have been there, or there might have been a trade that day that is not showing up. So here's the euro yen. You can see a nice big win. Very small loss. Pretty much 5 pip loss here. Very tiny loss. Small win. Big win, and 2 little tiny wins there. Pound, small win here. 10, 15 pip win, maybe 5 pip win. 10 pip win, 25 pip win or so. Win. Small loss, small win. Here's the pound. Small little win at the end, pretty much break even. Small win. Previously, 20 to 25 pip win, 10 pip win. Pretty much break even. 5 pip win, 5 or 10 pip win there. Here's the New Zealand dollar. You can see the previous day. Small loss, pretty much break even. Big win, small loss, big win. Ended the day with a loss. Here's the CAD yen on Friday. Small win, 5 pips. 25, 30 pip win, 10 pip win. Euro pound, small win, pretty much 6, 7 pip loss, 5 pip win. The New Zealand, and this is the case most days. When you catch a big win like that, that's where a lot of your profits come from. Nice 60, 70 pip win followed by another 20 pip win. The New Zealand and the Australian often trade almost an identical pattern. So the same or similar pattern, trend following, caught this huge 70 pip win and then another 30. And you can see the Australian dollar also caught those multiple trades in the same direction as well. There was just so many trades on Friday, it's unbelievable. 20 pip win here, 10 pip win, small loss, 5 pip win, 8 pip loss, and again 40 pip win there. Dollar yen, really nice trades there. I would have probably taken this one if I was trading live, and if I had enough time this weekend, if I had seen that earlier, I might have coded that up to make sure that pattern in the future gets hit. But we have over 5,000 different patterns, and I keep stats on each one, and over time I fix the ones that don't perform well in the future, and the ones that are performing well I pretty much leave the same or add a few minor additional rules to try to improve the winning percentage.